Okay, we're gonna make clam chowder. So over here we have, well, how many potatoes is this again?
Six big ones.
Six potatoes cut.
Big ones.
We got 2 onions sliced like this.
Yeah, halfway.
We got 2 chicken bouillons, the powder. I wanted 6 clams.
Yeah, baby clams.
Baby clams.
4 clams.
Okay, now as far as water, what are we talking? How much water?
These don't remember.
Oh, a bushel of celery. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, you know, five cups of water.
5 cups of
See,
water.
That's 2.
Okay.
Yeah, we can turn it on already. That one high, so it boils.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's 2. Now 2 more.
You need 5 cups.
Yeah.
Well, what else goes in there? You got some other things. Oh, because you put a little bit of agüita there.
Yeah, para bombearle a la. Use agua.
Yeah.
You don't want much water, so no salga chuya, you know.
Oh, okay. So 5 is
5 is
crucial.
good.
You got to be.
Maybe you want to go lower if you want to, but
Oh,
then
really? Okay. I would have thought hasta acá. You know what I mean?
No, it's only 5.
Okay, good. All right.
Right. So now this.
So you got to wait till it comes to a boil now. That's it.
Yeah, but meanwhile you can do these things. Right. So 5 cups of water. And then let me put this over here.
Good. What are you gonna do?
The whole bushel.
Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is the potatoes. You know.
Yeah. What, the potatoes were already boiled?
No, están just peladas. Les tenía en agua para que no se hagan negras.
Okay, so they don't get black.
Yeah.
You put them in
So
water.
I peel them, I
Soak them
cut
in
them
water.
in pieces.
Yeah, no
About
problem.
this is big.
Yeah.
And then the 5, right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. So this is agua fria. That's all right.
Yeah, agua
So put the
fria,
potatoes in the
high.
cold water. Not a big deal.
And that's
High.
to boil.
Okay.
Alright, so now es estas dos cosas, right?
Yeah.
So over here, we're gonna put oil.
Okay. So we're gonna saute something.
Yeah, you're gonna saute, boil them.
Oh, we're gonna saute. Oh, I never did that before.
Yeah,
Celery and onions.
Onions and then
Oh,
garlic.
nice. Gonna saute. Look at making clam chowder.
Yeah,
We're making clam chowder, dude.
we eat it in an hour.
Clam chowder. Look, he sautés this stuff. I didn't even know that. That's amazing.
Barón.
He's got some helicopters. You got your iced tea? There you go. Hey, you want the whipped cream? Oh yeah, why don't you start going on that one?
A nice cucharada de...
Alright, so we got
Garlic.
garlic chunks.
Yeah.
Auntie's gonna do the pull. She's gonna do the pull, okay?
Right? Entonces esta es esta. Ponemos en medium.
Medium, saute,
And then this is gonna get nice and hot.
garlic.
Both of them goes in there.
Once that gets nice and hot, onions and celery. Wow. I would have never thought.
Ok, mijo, verás, de ahora vamos a hacer esta. O sea, esta es leche normal.
Yeah.
Two.
Oh, this is where they do the milk thing. Okay.
Yeah, de la milk.
And to prevent it from being so milky like the regular New England clam chowder, you don't put too much.
No, it's 2 no, only.
So you're only putting 2 cups, okay?
2 cups.
Oh, okay. So that's the secret. Yeah, because I don't like it
Yeah.
the way
too much, you know.
the way it's really done.
Solo 2
Okay,
cups.
so we're doing 2 cups of milk.
and then boil them things.
Okay.
See, that's gonna.
Oh, so we're
boil.
boiling that separately.
Yeah, separate.
That's 1 cup right there. Oh, you filled it up. It's
yeah,
2 cups
it's
already.
2 cups in there.
Okay. And the thing about milk is it gets hot. It starts exploding. So
You
you
gotta
gotta
keep
watch
the eye
it.
on it,
You gotta
yeah.
keep your eye on the milk.
Eso está bueno, todo
Okay.
está bueno. Yeah.
Nice. Where's the chicken bouillon go? That's
Cuando
later, not yet.
Cuando ya hierva esto, guasa ahí.
Nice. Damn.
Vos tienes el chance de,
I can't wait.
before you finish it off, take up the liquid, you know,
Yeah.
whatever you want, and then make it thick.
Yeah, yeah,
Then
yeah.
if falta más liquid, you can put it, but you always do it with 5.
Okay.
Then you have the chance when it boil to take it out if it's too much.
Nice.
I done it like that,
I
so.
could smell it already.
Yeah, alright, so now this is gonna. Verás, ahora lo que vamos a hacer. Antes yo sabía poner harina, pero la harina por si no hizo en el estómago, you know.
So you used to put what is that? Flour?
Yeah, flour.
You used to put flour
No, now don't put flour.
in the oil. Now she doesn't do it because it's supposed to be getting stomach ache.
Stomach weird.
So now you
I
put
pongo
mashed
mashed
potatoes.
potato.
Instead
papa
of okay.
in there. And then
Okay.
esto está kind of wet.
Yeah.
Pero ahí pongo un tuco de vara. Eso es 8 cucharadas,
All
4
right.
onzas. Pero la mamá no ha tenido un tuco, you know, los
Okay.
tucos.
Oh, the margarine. Margarine.
Margarine cuadrados.
Yeah, yeah,
Uno,
squares,
paga
cubes.
ahí.
Okay.
Sí, más o menos
So
para
just use the butter.
Al dubar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do we got? Two big scoops.
Yeah, you know, un tuco es about 4, so eso is about 2, I'll say. Yeah, 8. That's 4.
Okay.
Yeah. Entonces eso también.
So nice big scoops of butter.
Entonces that's gonna kind of melt.
Okay, so we got about 4 cubes of butter. We got the garlic sauteing, the potatoes boiling, and the milk boiling now.
¿Te acuerdas el paquetito es unos tucos de vara?
Yeah.
Uno
Margarine.
enterito.
Oh, whole margarine stick.
A whole stick.
Oh, okay. All
Un
right.
tuco. Okay?
Very nice. All right. So where's the mashed potatoes coming? On top of the butter?
Yeah.
Oh.
About a cup.
All right, so we got some sauteing over here. It's starting to saute.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna...
What are you going to do? Stir it up a little bit?
Yeah, se hacen así como brown.
Yeah.
You know,
Oh, so you want to wait till it gets a little
Esto
bronze.
está buenísimo, está bollando. Este es de romo, este es para este. ¿Dónde está la tapa de este?
No idea.
Oh my God, no me digas.
That'll
Esta
fit.
es esta.
That'll fit, yeah.
Ah, caracho.
I think that's it over
Esta
there.
es de esta. ¿Cuál es la más grande? ¿Esta? ¿O esta? It's gotta be this one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, perfect.
Alrighty. So we're covering them up. Make it boil faster.
Pues yo quiero ahora una cup. Aquí tengo para hacer el pan.
Yeah.
Pongo una cup de la... O más, you know, I mean...
Yeah, a cup of mashed potatoes.
I like
You need
it
an
when
extension cord or something?
Caracho.
Why would you do that? Are you serious?
Should I go in the front?
Yeah, and then bring it around back. Alright,
Okay.
1 cup.
Yeah. Verás. Esto está yendo a
I
boillar.
took them from you. I asked them, but then I said forget it. No, I know, but then you asked for them and I gave them to you, so they're probably in my room. Check my room.
Okay.
So that's sauteing.
Perfect, right. Esto se meltea, and then we put this in there.
So once the butter melts, we're gonna put
Yeah.
the mashed potatoes in the butter.
And then we shut it off and put this and this boil. This, and when this is mixed, put here.
Okay, say that again.
Alright.
We're gonna what?
This is gonna melt.
Yeah, once the butter
When
melts,
the butter
we're gonna
melts,
put the mashed
you
potatoes.
put the mashed potato there.
Okay, you put 1 cup of mashed potatoes.
Yeah, 1 cup of mashed potatoes.
And then once that's done,
When that's done,
you're gonna put that in there.
as soon as you mix the mashed potato, you put it in there.
Nice,
Which
okay.
is boiling.
All right.
And eso le dejas unos couple minutes, you know.
Okay.
When it's boiling like that, this usually is boiling already, so
Okay.
tractor in there. That is all the liquid you're gonna have.
Okay.
Now this one is brown. You see it's turning brown. Okay, so we go for it.
So now you're gonna put the onions, it's sauteing. I'm gonna put the celery. Who's gonna eat food? Oh, you wanna here, make him some food. You gotta eat some food first. You can't just have chocolate without eating. You gotta eat something first, man.
Come here, come pick.
No, he has his banquet. If you want a banquet. Huh? I was gonna do the hot dogs with him.
Pues yo estoy chequeando esto, yo veo que esto ya mismo va a hervir, so le bajo para que espere.
You gotta set rules for him. That's it. You can't. We can't be soft on him, you know.
Come on, outside.
Where's Nico?
Yeah.
Keep the eye on this so it don't boil
So it doesn't go
until
overflow.
that goes. Este pretty soon is gonna boil nice, ya.
All right.
Entonces esto le dejo así bonito. Veo que aquí le pongo garlic, o sea, el culantro y achote.
Ajito.
Ya.
Okay.
Nice.
Let me see that. Let me see that. What is it?
El adobo.
Adobo sin pimienta. Okay.
Yeah. Simple.
All purpose.
Yeah. Pues eso va. Esto más o menos es medium. Bueno, este es acá.
What's
Este
that?
no, ya.
So both on medium right there. Yeah.
Este es este, si ves.
Keep your eye on the milk. The milk is on
No
low.
es necesario apagarlo. Ok, vamos ahí.
Okay. So now you put the mashed
Yeah.
potatoes.
My God,
Butter melted.
Ah, ponen más ahí. Ya. Y esto que esté nomás hirviendo, nice. Esto le atendemos a esto ahora. Pues lo que quiero es que se mezcle bonito ahí. Queda como
Okay, so you thicken that up and then you're gonna put in the milk. So,
Yeah.
so you basically made mashed potatoes.
That's it.
Yeah, so,
Perfect.
but that's
yeah.
the way you make mashed potatoes. Wow. Who would ever thought?
Yeah, with
Maybe it tastes better like that, huh?
mashed potatoes. Yeah, and then
Do you
I'm
make
telling
mashed
you-
potatoes like that too? Or?
Yeah, I do, but I do it with
Así hacen en tu país,
One-
is that way?
yeah.
That's weird. Yo también hago lo mismo, pero le pongo todo ahí.
Alright, so que estamos ahí.
Alright.
Este es el de acá y este es el de medium. Ahora el medium es este ya está hirviendo, si ves. Entonces ahora apagado.
Yeah.
No, esto está hirviendo esto.
Then you're
Ahora
gonna
sí le
put
pasamos aquí.
the mashed potatoes in the milk.
El milk está ya hirviendo. So that is really like a mashed potato. Si ves como las papas ya están hirviendo,
Yeah, yeah.
pues aquí le doy una mesidita y solo lo que le demoro en tenerla ahí. Pues yo ya me alisto con esto, están las papitas hirviendo, ¿no es cierto?
Yeah.
Ya. Entonces lo que hago es, ¿verdad? Ya, mamita.
Busy, busy.
Hi, baby. Ponemos esto cuando está hirviendito ahí, nice, los dos. Y ahí podemos aumentar otro poquito pues, cuando vas probando.
You want to, when you get settled in, you want to start putting the dogs on the grill.
Yeah.
Para que come algo. Because already I quiero chocolate, and I'm like, you gotta eat some lunch first. Come on.
Ya esto ya la apagamos. Ya, ve cómo
Okay,
está como mashed potato.
nice and thick
Nice
mashed
and thick.
potatoes.
Goes in
That
there.
goes in the pot of potatoes.
Y para potatoes con un poquito de... Que ya puse estas cosas amarillas estas.
Yeah. You put the chicken bouillon in where? In here.
Ya, los dos.
Two of them.
dos
Okay, so
puse
no
ahí.
sazón here. We're not working with sazón.
No sazón.
It's just chicken bouillon and
Chicken bouillon.
adobo, concha.
Ya.
Okay.
Entonces está hervidito, nice. Entonces ya nada high, ahora le dejamos medium para que
And
siga
now we leave it
hirviendo.
at a medium heat
Ya.
after the potatoes have already boiled.
Esto vamos a dejarle que
Now
siga
when's this one coming?
hirviendo.
This one's sauteing, you're shaking it up.
Yeah, shaking it up a little bit. I don't give it a little turn. Ya yo veo que las onions están kind of stiff, right?
Yeah.
When they están...
Yeah, yeah,
that's
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah. That's
then,
when it's
and
ready
then
to go.
dump the whole thing there. You're done.
Nice.
And then you go by the clock.
When the onions get sauteed a little bit, so maybe when it was 15 minutes.
Yeah,
Of medium
sí,
heat.
como está...
Yeah,
Esa se hiciera así, you know.
it's hard, yeah.
Ya. ¿Ves? Entonces, eso ya que está así, taga ahí encima, está todito ya.
Yep.
Y de ahí, you're gonna do 20 minutes, you know, timer, 20.
Oh, once you put this in there,
You're gonna
then
time
you're,
it que
gonna, then, you're
hierva
gonna, then
20.
you're gonna boil it for 20 minutes.
And
All
then
right,
what?
so I know we're not at that step yet, but tell me what it is that you do. So after 20
right,
minutes,
No, after 20 minutes, because apenas pongo esto ahí.
as soon as you put that in there,
Before I do the 20 minutes,
You're already putting the
I'm gonna get
clams.
the water here.
okay, you're gonna pour the water.
I'm
All
gonna
6
put the
water,
water.
or maybe just half?
Well, I would love to put all of them.
But
I
then
only do
sometimes
two.
the people, they don't like the sea salt.
Yeah, so we can cut down on that.
So it's your choice. You could either do 6,
I do two, that was 2 waters. So maybe we use the 2 waters, ponemos los 6.
or you could put 3. Okay.
Or
All right,
3.
so you're just doing the water.
Because
When does
it's
the
going to
clam
make it
go
more
in?
liquid.
Okay, the water goes in it.
As soon as you put this, as soon as you put that. Yeah.
Okay, but when does the clams go in?
The clams go 6 minutes before after the 20. Apenas se hace the 20.
Okay, so
pones
right
the clams
before it
in
becomes
6
20.
minutes.
So right after the clam water and the celery's been boiling,
For 20 minutes.
maybe boiling once it gets to 15 minutes boiling, then you put the clams in and still boil
And
for
still
another
boil
5
for another
minutes.
5-6 minutes.
5-6
And then you
minutes.
start
And
trying.
then what?
Then you start trying it, aumentar otro poquito más de...
And then you start, and then you're pretty much
Tasting.
done, but then
Done.
you give it a little taste test.
Yeah.
And okay, I
Pero
got you.
esto not too long, you know, the most 5-6 minutes because
So you
otherwise
can't
they-
really boil them too much because
No,
you
yeah.
can't overcook the clams.
Yeah, and then
Okay, so then what do you do once the 6 minutes hit? You got to take it off.
take
the
it
heat.
off there,
You
yeah.
got to take it off because you don't want to overcook the
yeah,
clams.
and then
And then
it'll
are
be-
we good?
Oh my God, yeah, because the thing will be so hot that
Yeah.
it cooks it a little more
Okay.
up to the
So
10
then
minutes.
that's
that
it.
you
No,
need.
no other. You don't have to add nothing else.
No?
All right, so that's how you make
Pero
clam
ya está
chowder.
haciéndose ya.
Very
That's
nice.
it.
Good job. Thank you.